Welcome to our channel. Managing your privacy settings on the VA benefits portal is important to control who can access your information and how your data is used. Follow these step-by-step instructions to adjust your privacy preferences. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official VA benefits portal at va.gov. Step 2. Click on Sign in the top right corner and log in using your preferred credential provider, such as id.me, login.gov, dslogon, or myhealthavet. Step 3. Once logged in, click on your name or profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Navigate to Profile or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Look for Privacy Settings, Security and Privacy, or Personal Information in the Settings menu. Step 6. Review the privacy options available. These may include settings for sharing your information with healthcare providers, controlling who can view your records, and managing communication preferences. Step 7. Adjust each setting according to your preferences by toggling switches on or off or selecting checkboxes. Step 8. If you want to limit data sharing with third parties, look for options related to data sharing or external access and disable them as needed. Step 9. Update your communication preferences to control how the VA contacts you, whether by email, phone, or mail. Step 10. Save all changes by clicking Save or Update Preferences at the bottom of the page. Step 11. Review your privacy settings periodically to ensure they still meet your needs, especially after policy updates from the VA. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.